Guys, we have a problem. This is my S1 and it has not been running for over a month because of multiple things. Clogging, Z height, nozzle issues, and as you can see, I have a little bed level test to see if that was the issue. I don't know if it's not level. I've done a bunch of things to it, but I got the last thing I printed. The last three things I printed was this token right here. I thought was pretty cool, so I made a little remodel and scaled it up a bunch. Printed that one. Got another one right here, just to see if I could print out something like this. And those three are the last three things that I printed before all of this starts happening. So not only is this not working, it always clogs up and goes, the filament goes twist up onto the hot end. So I thought, what? The hot end's messed up. Let me change it out. We got this one. That's a hardened steel. That one right there. That didn't work, obviously, because it's not in there. Got another one, which didn't work. See that? Then we got another one. None of the things work. So I'm hoping that I can get this new ceramic hot end that I found on YouTube. Someone said that they were having issues just like I was, and they got a ceramic, smaller. I'm hoping it does the trick, because this is kind of pissing me off. After about 200 hours of use, it just won't print no more. So I just want to share this with you, my trials with the S1 right now, the Anycubic S1. I'm hoping that it will come back to life after I get a different type of hot end. It's not big as this one, it's a lot smaller. So stay posted.